used to be made for emperor every year. During this time, Gujarat trade conducted
Gujarati traders. Gujarat nahi, Gujarati traders.
traders conducted business on a large scale. Large volumes of goods were imported and exported from the ports of Gujarat. Festivals were celebrated with and grandeur during Jahangir's reign.
Region nahi, reign. Okay. Jahangir's reign.
Reign. Dashera was celebrated in a grand manner. Foreigners did not have the right to take away wealth from India.
Yes, very good. Chalo. So, society was based on the feudal system during the Mughal era. Okay. The king and his courtiers led a life of pleasure and luxury. All this we saw about the social life, right? Now, as there was very prosperity during that period, so the economic condition of the people was very good. Goods were exported and imported from different parts of India, and the trading was carried out from the ports, Bharuch and Khambat and all this which saw in the last class, right? Yes or no, Alma, Sarah? Remember?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Now, economic conditions. How was the economic conditions during the Mughal period that we will see? Yes, Sarah, read better economic conditions.
Yes, ma'am. Economic condition. We can know about the economic condition prevalent during the Mughal era from Abul Fazl's book. At that time, 55.5 Ratal was equal to 1 man. Old units of weight. Shawls from Lahore, turis from Fatehpur Sikri, cotton clothes from Gujarat, and Dhaka's Muslim were very famous and popular products. Goods exported and imported from Khambat, Surat, Bharuch, and many ports of Bengal. Villages were self-reliant at that time. Villages themselves produced most of the goods that they required.
Yes, thank you, Sarah. And yes, thank you to Humeda also. Now we can know about the economic conditions which were prevalent during the Mughal era from Abul Fazl's book. Okay, which book we can know? Abul Fazl's book. In that, everything economic condition special is mentioned in that book. Now at that time, beta, 55.5 ratal was equal to 1 man, all units के हिसाब से. Then shawls of from Lahore, dhuris from Fatehpur Sikri, cotton cloth from Gujarat, right? All these were very famous. Dhaka, muslin from Dhaka. Muslin is a type of cloth, right? All this was very famous during that period, during Mughal period, right? Then goods were exported and imported. Means what, beta? गुड्स वेर एक्सपोर्टेड मतलब के वहां से बाहर भी भेजा जाता था और अदर गुड्स वेर ब्रॉट ऑल्सो टू इंडिया, राइट? सो गुड्स वेर exported and imported during the Mughal period. Okay, from which ports? Khambat, ports of Khambat, Surat, Bharuch, and many ports of Bengal. Okay, villages were self-reliant at that time. Villages themselves produced most of the goods and they required. मतलब it was very important कि जो goods वो बनाते हैं वही अगर यूज करते हैं then it is very good for their economically consideration, right? Now, arts and literature of the Mughal period we will see. What will we see?
Mughal period.
Art and literature of the Mughal
Mughal
period.
period.
Mughal
Yes.
period.
Almas, read beta.
Ma'am, I read.
Who is it
Mubashir
asking for
Ali.
permission?
Art and literature of the Mughal period.
So, 1 minute, Almas. Someone else was asking for permission. Who was that, beta?
दे रही है Mubashir.
Mubashira. After Almas finishes this paragraph, I'll give you a chance. Okay, Mubashira?
Okay.
Yes, continue, Almas.
Art and literature of the Mughal period. The Mughal rulers were very fond of grand places Hindu style of architectural decoration merged with Islamic style and constructing places and domes. Shah Jahan
Places
built
नहीं,
many
palaces.
renewed monuments,
Palaces.
palaces and domes. Shah Jahan built many renowned monuments and is known as constructor of palaces. He also patronized an artist and so
Many artists.
encouraged art. Many artists and so encouraged art. The Rajput rulers were very fond of paintings and so patronized the art of painting. Jahangir too was fond of collecting paintings.
Found नहीं, fond. Okay. So, how was the art and literature of the Mughal period? Okay. The Mughal rulers were very fond of grand palaces. Hindu style of architectural decoration merged with the Islamic style of constructing palaces and domes. Shah Jahan built many renowned monuments and is known as the constructor of palaces. What is he known as? Constructor of palaces. He also patronized many artists and so encouraged art. The Rajput rulers were very fond of paintings and so patronized the art of painting. Jahangir too was fond of collecting different paintings. Now we will see still the art and literature work only. Okay, now we will see literature work. Okay, literature means the writings those they were done during the Mughal period. Yes, Mubashira.
The Mughal era is
Considered.
considered to be a peaceful period on the whole. It was a favorable time for the development of literature and Sanskrit books were translated, historical volumes were written, and Hindi literature,
Literature.
literature received patronage. The duhas of Kabir and Rahim and Saki becomes famous. Rath a disciple of Vaishnav Acharya Vithlanathji, composed Hindi poetry. Many foreign travelers came to India during this period. They have described the state's ad- administrative system
System.
and the common life of the people in their travelages. Two French travelers, Tavernier and Bernier, visited India during that time. Of them, Bernier lived in India for 12 years. He has observed the Mughal rulers used to spend a great sum on the army. He has also
Mentioned.
appreciate,
Maintain. Mentioned.
mentioned appre- appreciatively,
Appreciatively.
appreciatively that India textiles were very famous in the markets of Europe and Asia.
Very good. Thank you, Mubashira. Now the Mughal era. Okay, Mughal era is considered to be the powerful period on the whole. How is it considered, Zainab? Rupani Zainab? Powerful period of the whole, on the whole. कैसे? On the
Uh,
whole, अगर हाँ, peaceful and period and powerful also. Okay, it was a favorable time for the development of literature and Sanskrit books were translated. How was it, beta? Favorable time for the development of literature and Sanskrit books were translated. Historical volumes were written and Hindi literature received patronage. The Dohas of Kabir and the Rahim and Sakhi became most famous. Rashkhan, a disciple of Vaishnav Acharya Vitthal Nathji. What is his name? What is his name? Ruskin.
Acharya
Okay.
Vittal Nachi.
Yes, Acharya Vittal Nachi composed Hindi poetry. What did he compose, beta? Hindi
Hindi
poetry. Many foreign travelers came to India during this period. They have described the state administrative system and the common life of the people in their travelogues. Two French travelers, that is Tavernier and Bernier, visited India during that time. Whose mic is on? Of them, Bernier lived in India for 12 years. How many years did he live? 12 years तक रहे इंडिया में. फ्रेंच से आए थे वो दोनों, और उसमें से जो बर्नियर थे वो 12 years तक रहे ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए. ओके. And he observed that the Mughal rulers used to spend a great sum on the army. Army पे वो लोग ज्यादा पैसा यूज करते हैं. Okay. He also mentioned appreciatively that Indian textiles were very famous in the markets of Europe and Asia. How was the Indian textile? It was very famous in the markets of Europe and Asia. Is it clear till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, will we revise from here once? Zainab, Rupani, Zainab, can you revise it? Art and literature. Wait,
Ma'am,
one
can I
minute.
like
For permission.
Misbah? Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Okay, Sakina, I'll see to it. Zainab, you read after that, Miss Ba. I'll give you a chance, and Sakina, you also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Art and literature of
Ma'am,
the
your
Mughal
voice is
rulers. The
Yes,
Mughal
ma'am.
rulers were very fond of grand places, Hindu
Palaces,
style of
palaces, places, nahi beta, palaces.
palaces, Hindu style of architectural decoration merged with Islamic style of constructing palaces and domes. Shah Jahan built many renowned monuments and is known as the constructor of palaces. He also he also patronized many artists and so encouraged art. The Rajput rulers were very fond of paintings and so patronized the art of painting. Jahangir too was fond of collecting paintings.
Yes, Miss Ba, continue.
The Mughal era is considered to be a peaceful period on the whole. It was a valuable time for the development of the literature and Sanskrit books that translated historical volumes were written and Hindi literature received patronage of Sabir and Rahim and Saki became famous. Rakshan, a disciple of the
Rashkan,
Rakshan, a disciple of
Vaishnav.
Vaishnav, Vaishnav Acharya Vitnal composed Hindi poetry. Many foreign travelers come to India during this period. They have described the state administrative system and common life of the people in travelogues. Two French travelers, Tavernier and Bernier, visited India during that time. Of them, Bernier lived in India for 12 years. He had observed that Mughal rulers used to spend a great sum on the army. He has also mentioned ap- appre- appreciatively that
Appreciatively. Okay, appreciatively.
Indian textile were very famous in the markets of Europe and Asia.
Yes, very good. Understood till here, everyone? In the revision, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Hmm? Sakina, Misbah? Yes, Misbah?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Misbah, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Misbah. You wanted to read. Will you like to revise this paragraph?
Many things.
Misbah? Misbah?
Can I read?
Sakina. Okay, you continue. I guess she is not able to listen.
Ma'am, can I read Sakina Rajani?
No, Bhimani Sakina asked first, no? I guess it was her voice.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from the top, ma'am.
Yes, yes, beta.
The Mughal era is considered to be the peaceful period of the whole. It was a favorable time for the development of the literature and the Sanskrit books for the translate. Historical volumes were written in Hindi literature received the
Patronage.
patronage,
Patronage.
patronage, patronage. The thoughts of Kabir and Rahim and Sakhi
Dohas.
become
Dohas.
the of Dohas of Kabir and Rahim and Sakhi became famous. Rakshan Raskhan, the discipline of Vaisanav Acharya
Acharya.
with Acharya
Vithalnath.
Vitalaji composed the Hindi poetry. Many foreigner travelers come to India during the period. They have described the state administration system and the common life of the people is in the travelers through French travelers. Taveri,
And
Taverida,
here,
uh,
yes,
Taverida
Taverina
and
and
Bernie Bernier visited India during that time. Of them, Bernier lived in the India for 12 years. He has observed that Mughal rulers used to spend a great sum on the army. He has also mentioned appreci- applic- appre- appreciatively that the India's action was
appreciatively, appreciatively,
appreciatively appreciatively that Indian actions were very famous in the markets of the Europe and Asia.
yes, very good, Sakina. Bhimani Sakina, very good. Somewhere you need to read the spelling, Sakina. आप reading अच्छा करते हो, पर somewhere you don't know to pronounce. Have a pause. This is your class, your friends, your teacher. You can have a pause and you can read the spelling and then pronounce. Okay, Sakina?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, now we will start with the downfall. Okay. Now, how the downfall started. Considering, see, Mughal Empire, Shah Jahan का period जब था, तब it was the golden period, golden age of the Mughal Empire. And India became very prosperous, and it was very many monuments were constructed, many temples were constructed, and it was very good period of the Mughal Empire. But then slowly and gradually the downfall started. मतलब के मुगल एम्पायर started to get disintegrated. क्या हुआ? It started to get disintegrated. Okay, downfall started. Now, how it started and after whose rule it started, that we will see now. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can I?
Misbah and
Can I?
yes. What is your name?
Misbah. Sakina Raja.
Misbah, read better down. Sakina Rajan, after her, your turn. Okay, Misbah, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Downfall. Shah Jahan's reign can be considered as
Region
the
nahi, it's rain.
golden can be considered as the golden age of the Mughal Empire. One can say that the down empire, a later year of Shah Jahan. Aurangzeb's policies to provide fatal. Aurangzeb struggled in this. The conflicts with Veer Durgadas in the north and Maratha Kesari Shah in the south and north was
Are not worthy. So, as I said, you right, Shah Jahan's reign can be considered as the golden age. What can it be considered, beta? What can Shah Jahan's reign can be considered as what, beta?
Golden Age.
Golden Age.
Yes, golden age of what, beta?
Mughal Empire.
Of the,
Mughal
yes,
But
Empire.
of the, very good, of the Mughal Empire. One can say that the downfall of the Mughal Empire started in the last years of Shah Jahan. शाहजहां के जो रीन के जो लास्ट ईयर्स थे उस टाइम पे द डाउनफॉल स्टार्टेड. ओके. औरंगजेब्स पॉलिसीज टू प्रूव फैटल मींस व्हाट. औरंगजेब की जो पॉलिसीज थी, है ना, टू टू डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पॉलिसीज, तो वो भी फैटल होने लगी. मतलब वो भी दैट वाज आल्सो नॉट प्रूविंग टू एग्जिस्ट ऑफ मुगल एम्पायर. नाउ औरंगजेब स्ट्रगल कंटिन्यूअसली. Among these, the conflicts with Veer Durga Das in the north and Maratha Kesari Shivaji in the south are noteworthy. अब वीर दुर्गा दास के साथ उनकी जो लड़ाई थी वो नोटवर्दी है. एंड वन ऑफ द साउथ लीडर्स आल्सो, दैट इज मराठा केसरी शिवाजी के साथ भी it was very complicated, so he could not survive, exist more on the throne. Now we will see Veer Durga Das. Okay. Yes, Sakina, you were asking for permission.
Yes, ma'am. After the demise of the king of Jodhpur, his queen and her son were under the traitor feet of the Mughal Empire, where Durga
Hello.
sheltered them
We
at
cannot
a
listen
safe
you.
place. After that, with the
Read
help
from
of
the first.
loyal
We can
warriors,
not listen you, Sakina.
yes, ma'am.
Sakina.
Or,
Sakina.
yes,
We were
ma'am.
not able to listen. You read from the first, beta.
Yes.
ma'am, I read.
Ye-
No, Sakina will continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Sakina, continue.
After the demise of the king of Jodhpur, his queen and her son were under the threat
Threat,
of the
threat.
Mughal
Under
rulers,
the
were
threat.
threat under the threat of Mughal rulers, were Durgas
Veer
sheltered
Durga
them
Das.
at a safe.
Veer Durga Das.
Veer Durgadas sheltered them at a safe place. After that, with the help of loyal soldier,
He
Marwar.
protected. He
He
protected.
protected Marwar's independence for 25 years. Arbunz
Aurangzeb.
was unsuccessful in dealing with strange launching surprise attack and had unlimited recourse with Raj.
Had to ultimately. Had to ultimately. ओके. नाउ वीर दुर्गादास के बारे में हम देखेंगे. ओके. वीर दुर्गादास, when did he came on the throne? After the demise of king of Jodhpur. Okay. What happened, beta? His queen and her son were under the threat of Mughal rules. Mughal rules के डर से वो लोग उनके नीचे थे, है ना. वीर दुर्गादास sheltered them at a safe place. तो वीर दुर्गादास ने क्या किया बेटा? क्वीन को और सन को शेल्टर किया, मतलब के सेफ प्लेस पे उनको रखा, घर दिया, राइट. आफ्टर दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ whose mic is on? Very good, thank you. Still it's on. Almasi, whose mic is on?
Modest.
Okay. After that, with the help of loyal soldiers, the protected Marwar's independence for 25 years. How many years he protected Marwar? वीर दुर्गादास 25 years तक.
25 years.
औरंगजेब जो थे, हाँ, Aurangzeb was unsuccessful in dealing with the strategy of launching surprise attacks and had to ultimately reconcile with the Rajput. औरंगजेब की जो पॉलिसी थी launching surprise attacks, okay, that was unsuccessful. What was that, beta? That was
Unsuccessful.
unsuccessful. Yes, that was unsuccessful, and ultimately he had to reconcile with the Rajputs. Yes, Almas, read it, revise it once.
Veer Durgadas. After the demise of the king of Jodhpur, his queen and her son were under the threat of the Mughal rulers. Veer Durgadas sheltered them at a safe place. After death, with the help of loyal soldiers, he protected Marwar's independence for 25 years. Aurangzeb was unsuccessful in dealing with the strategy of launching surprise attacks and had an ultimately reconcile, recon,
Reconcile.
reconcile with the Rajputs.
Yes, understood everyone till here? Now we will see about Chhatrapati Shivaji, and then we will see about the end of the Mughal rule. Is it clear till here?
Yes,
Modesa, Modesa is there?
Yes,
Modesa?
ma'am.
Yes, did you understand here? Veer
Yes, ma'am.
Durgadas. Now we will see Chhatrapati Shivaji. Okay, yes, read beta Chhatrapati Shivaji. Modesa.
Yes, ma'am. Chhatrapati Shivaji. As a consequence of Aurangzeb's policy,
Consequence.
many kingdoms consequence of Aurangzeb's policy, many kingdoms revolted against him. Maratha's kingdom was one amongst them. The Maratha Sardars, chieftains
Chieftains.
who were chieftains who worked for the Bahabari Sultan enjoyed Jagir's large land holdings, but the need to establish and defend the strong Maratha kingdom arose with the emergence of Shah, Shahji
Shaji
Bhosle,
Bhosle.
Shahji Bhosle, the capable leader. Later, Shivaji, his son, took over the mantle of the Maratha kingdom. Shivaji's Bhonsal was born in 1630 CE in Shivaji in Shivneri Fort. He was raised by his mother, Jia, Jijabai, and mentor Daduji Kondev. He dreamt of establishing a small and, and independent kingdom. Pune. He inherited his self respect, fearlessness, and brilliance from his mother and learned the intricate and administrative policies from his grandfather. He was
Policies.
fortunate enough to have a good
Huh?
friend like Taraji. Gradually, he expanded his army, and at a tender age of 16, he started capturing forts. Ta- uh, Torada,
Torana.
Torada, Chakan,
Chakna. Chakan. Yes. Continue. Sinhagad and Purandar. Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, she has left.
Okay, okay. Maybe technical issues होगा कोई network का. Continue. Who is it? Read.
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ, continue.
Sihagat, Porandar were some of the
Ma'am, I am here.
forts that
Now let her complete because she is reading you let her because of technical issue. So let her complete.
Shivaji was
Chakan,
coronated
Sinha,
in
Purandar was some of
1634
the fort
CE.
by him.
But the two
Shivaji
girls are
was
reading at a time. Hmm. Yes, continue.
Shivaji was coronated in 1674 CE after several confrontations with the sultans of Bijapur and the Mughals of Delhi. He worked hard to establish a smooth and efficient administration system. He formed a cabinet of 8 ministers for the proper administration of the state.
Yes. So about the Chhatrapati Shivaji, this part will be understanding in the next class. But till here, anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Miss Baz, Almas,